The AMD version of the GT1 Mega is finally here. It is GEEKOM's latest release, the A9 Max. A mini PC that is an AI flagship redefined. We're testing this mini PC to its absolute limits. Will this AMD version of the GT1 Mega deliver? Let's find out. So this is the GEEKOM A9 Max. Unboxing it just like usual with a premium feeling left on your fingers. At the heart of the A9 Max is the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, a cutting-edge chip built for speed, efficiency, and AI acceleration. With up to 12 high-performance cores and next-gen integrated graphics, it delivers exceptional computing power whether you're editing 4K videos, running complex 3D models, or streaming ultra-high-definition content. And with AI capabilities built directly into the CPU, you can experience smarter performance from real-time language processing to enhanced media rendering, all without slowing you down. Power this big needs serious cooling. That's why the GEEKOM A9 Max features the Ice Blast 2.0 thermal system, an upgraded cooling solution designed to keep temperatures low and performance high, where it includes a large copper heatsink, dual heat pipes, high-performance low-noise fans, and premium thermal compounds, ensuring long-term stability even under heavy workloads or continuous gaming sessions. Inside, you'll find 32GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, perfect for heavy multitasking. Switch from video editing to large spreadsheets, from gaming to design software, with zero lag. For storage, the A9 Max is equipped with a blazing fast 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That means near-instant boot times, rapid file transfers, and space for thousands of photos, videos, and projects. The future of wireless is here with Wi-Fi 7, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and rock-solid stability for online gaming, streaming, and video calls. Pair that with Bluetooth 5.4 and you get seamless connections to your favorite peripherals, from headsets to keyboards without a single wire in sight. You'll also find two USB 4 ports with 40GB transfer speed, PD charging, and 8K display support, 5 USB-A 3.2 ports, dual HDMI 2.1, dual 2.5GB Ethernet LAN port, and even a full-size SD 4.0 card reader. Measuring just 135 by 132 by 45.6mm, the A9 Max is small enough for any setup, yet it packs desktop-class performance. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the GEEKOM A9 Max gives you advanced productivity features, enhanced security, and a smooth, intuitive interface, whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go. And now let's see how the GEEKOM A9 Max actually performs. So here we are finally testing this mini PC, the GEEKOM A9 Max. And again, this recording is captured by the mini PC itself, not with a capture card. Okay, let's start with The Forest. I've actually been playing this game, but I haven't finished it all the way. Okay, let's just skip this airplane scene, man. Let's get some stuff over here. So even though with OBS recording, the game is running very smooth. Okay, so what do we do now from here? So there's a bunch of stuff that you can do in this game, like create some storage, shelter, and another bunch of stuff. Okay, let's try cutting down some trees. Oh shoot, that was kind of loud, bro. I'm just gonna go ahead and explore the terrain, bro. I think it's spying on its prey. Okay, let's see what it does to that rabbit, bro. What the heck? I thought it was gonna eat the rabbit. It just ran away. Bro, what the heck? Hey, let's try killing it. I don't know if it's gonna go in the water, but you have nowhere to go, man. Oh, yeah? Wanna do this? Wanna do this, huh? I'm not letting you go, man. Hey, 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 hey. Wait, it's circling around, bro. What the heck? Don't play with me, man. He's trying to get his way out. Okay, it got tired, bro. It got tired. It slowed down. Okay. Damn, what the heck is this? Ugh. And I think that's pretty much it with this game. It's pretty smooth. It's not even stuttering at all, even though with OBS running in the background, recording all of this stuff happening in real time. On to the next game. We're starting off with zombie-related games. Let's have fun with this game, bro. Okay, it's kind of way too loud. Bro, I cannot do my commentary. It's way too loud. Oh, shoot. Reload! So, pretty much very playable with Left 4 Dead and this mini PC if you're playing this game whatsoever. Again, even though with OBS, it's pretty smooth.
I'm a reload! Reload!
Oh, shoot. Oh, nah, bro. It didn't hit me, bro. Ah, nah, it's the witch. Is that the witch? Is it? Ah, nah, bro. Oh, nah, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much it with Left 4 Dead. I'm not gonna go any further because I cannot do any normal commentary because it is way too loud to speak.
I'm not lying, this hurts.
So yeah, it's pretty smooth, very playable, and on to the next game. Next one is Hades. So I'm gonna actually use my controller for this game because this game also supports with a controller and a much more pleasing experience with a controller. The House of the Hades. Okay, what's up with you?
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Voice acting in this game is very good, man. And also the graphics as well. I forgot I've equipped this shield weapon. Okay, that hurt, bro. Bro, chill. I'm just starting. I've just started. I'm already dying. I spam my throws, bro. Oh, shoot. Basic. Ouchies, bro. Gotta chill, dude. Okay, so comments while playing the game. It is very smooth, very playable. It's not even stuttering whatsoever. If you're making content with this mini PC, you can absolutely do it. And if you're a Hades content creator, you can pretty much wing all of this stuff with this mini PC. So yeah, it's just like I'm making this mini PC a gaming console, which is pretty good. Okay, what should we choose? I think this one is much better. Oh, shoot. Why did I step on that? I'm gonna spam my throws, bro. I'm not gonna go near these guys. I've kind of forgot that I have a dash ability, man. I'm already dying early on in the stage and it's kind of embarrassing. What's this guy? Seems kind of like a boss fight. I don't know. Oh, shoot. You gotta chill, dude. Like that, bro. What the heck was that boss? Survive for 45 seconds. Okay. Pretty easy. Ah, nah. I'm joking. Ooh, dodge that.
Why do I bother?
Yeah, why are you bothering me? Just let me escape, dudes. Okay, I thought I was gonna die early. I did not expect to make it this far. Okay, so if you're planning playing Hades in this mini PC, you don't have to worry about the performance because it is actually doing pretty well even though with OBS recording. So yeah, thumbs up for this game. On to the next game. Now we're playing Dead Cells, another roguelike game, just like Hades from earlier. And yeah, we're playing this game with this mini PC and I'm just gonna show you guys how well this performs. Okay, so it's kind of like similar genres to Hades, which is roguelike, which if you die, you restart and go back again. I don't know how to even speak English properly, so I'm just not gonna bother. What the heck am I doing? So, no problems whatsoever. It's very smooth when you're playing. Okay, it's actually pretty loud. I don't know if you guys still can hear me while I'm commenting, so I think I'm not gonna comment this over. Bro, there's a lot of enemies, bro. You gotta chill. Bro, oh my. That guy was so tough, dude. I cannot do even a decent damage to that guy. Why did I even bother killing that guy, dude? Just got a decent controller and you're playing this mini PC just like a gaming console. Dead Cells is pretty much approved. On to the next game. Okay, let's go with the Risk of Rain 2 for the last roguelike game. You can actually play it with a controller as well, but I'm gonna use the keyboard and mouse for a better experience because I hate aiming with a controller, man. With the joysticks, I hate it so much. I don't know how this guy is very popular and overpowered. I don't even know how to use this guy. I think Bandit is more powerful than this guy because I don't know how to use this guy. And I kept saying guy. Very smooth, bro. It still surprises me that I'm playing it very smooth. Okay, they're swarming me, bruh. Bro, I just started. Bro, chill. Why was I dying that early, bro? Oh my days. Okay, I'm dying. I'm not dying early, bro. I haven't really been playing these days. You cannot hurt me inside, bruh. This guy's gotta chill, dude. So the integrated graphics is very powerful in this one, in the GEEKOM A9 Max. So yeah. Okay, so if you're playing Risk of Rain 2, you don't have to worry about the performance again, even when you're recording. So yeah, on to the next game. And oh yeah, I haven't tried Minecraft in one of my videos. Okay, let's try it with this edition, the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. Create a new world, GEEKOM A9 Max. Okay, Minecraft has a brand new feature which is called vibrant visuals. It is very much apparent when you play the game with that feature turned on. So it is a built-in shaders for Bedrock edition, Minecraft Bedrock edition only, not available in Java. Yeah, look at that, bro. It looks pretty good and running very smooth even. And you can pretty much chill with Minecraft with this mini PC. Record your gameplays. You don't have to worry about storage because it has 2 terabytes of storage. You can pretty much store everything, every moment you can get with this playing Minecraft Bedrock edition. Let's explore the place for quite a bit. Maybe I can find some polar bears. Oh, yo, polar bears. Awesome. Let's not hope this guy attacks me, because sometimes they do attack you, bro. I think it's when they're hungry. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave you alone, bro. Okay, wolves. Very nice. Their texture is kind of washed because of the vibrant visuals, but still looks good. What's this? Oh, it's just sand. I thought it was a chest, dude, for a second. Yeah, it's pretty much chilled in here, dude. Vibrant visuals is a game changer. Yeah, with this mini PC, it's running very smooth. Let's go to the second edition of Minecraft, which is the Java edition. Okay, so we're now here at the Java edition of Minecraft, and I'm gonna have to delete this one because I've already tested it. Yeah, let's create a new world, which is GEEKOM. Let's see how fast it will generate the world with the GEEKOM A9 Max. And that was pretty fast, to be honest. I'm gonna have to set it to 12 chunks. Yo, Pig, what's up? Man, the music is so calming, dude. Oh my days. Look at that FPS. 200 FPS. This is without mods. Okay, this mini PC is much more faster than my laptop, dude. Obviously. I hope I'm not gonna get copyrighted with this music. I really hope so, because I don't want that to happen. But I'm enjoying it. I don't know if this is new or not, but it's pretty good. It's because I've always turned off music when I'm playing Minecraft. Maybe that's why I'm enjoying it for this time. Okay, so 200 FPS for 12 chunks. What about 32 chunks? Let's see about that. Just kind of have the FPS value, 100 FPS average, and it's still very smooth, man. I cannot imagine how well this mini PC performs with Minecraft with performance mods. Okay, so I think there's not much else to say other than that's crazy, bro. Okay, so the bees out here are just chilling with me. Being chilling. Okay, kind of dropped to 80, 60 even. Maybe it's because it's loading the chunks. So for Minecraft and the GEEKOM A9 Max, you can pretty much do anything, even with content creation. With 2 terabytes of storage, you don't really have to worry about storage, man. And now let's go ahead to the next game. Okay, now let's try some FPS games. Let's start with Counter-Strike, because this game is not problematic when I'm running it, unlike Valorant, bro. Okay, bro. I have a shotgun. Why is that? Get wrecked. Is this some kind of a free-for-all game? What the heck is going with chat, bro? It's all Chinese. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's kind of like a free-for-all thing. That's cool. Bro, the random guns. Why is that? It's pretty smooth with CS. What the heck is that chicken going over here? Yeah, get wrecked. Can now start spawning, bro. Is it... What? Bro, this chicken is so distracting, bro. Nah, I'm gonna hide. What is this? This guy's on a sniper. Oh my days. Okay, I'm now on a sniper. Oh my days, was that me? Nah, that was not me. Okay, why was I on my knife? Get wrecked. Get dropped. Ah, shoot. Yeah. I'm almost at the top of the leaderboards. Oh. Yeah. What? What the? Oh my, bro, what am I doing? I thought I was going to get him, bro. 3, 2, 1. Let me kill this guy. Nah. Okay. GG's, man. It can handle this game even with OBS running in the background pretty smooth. So yeah, on the next game. Okay. I did not meant to do that because my internet sucks. I'm sorry, Valorant. I did not mean to do that.
Match found. Fight.
Forward.
Yeah, I'm already dead. Yeah, shut up. Yeah. Oh, nah.
Rest.
What the heck? Bro. Oh, nah. I'm a bot. Shut up, please. Nah.
Enemy down.
Enemy down.
You fought well.
Oh, what? I was cocky, bro.
Good attempt.
What? Okay, so Valorant runs pretty well with this mini PC, no problems whatsoever, even though with OBS running in the background, still pretty smooth gameplay. You can be a content creator with Valorant with this mini PC. So yeah, I don't want to play this game anymore. Okay, so let's try League of Legends for another Riot game after Valorant. I really hope I can find a match with this internet connection, dude. Please. Yo, did find a game. I'm gonna get Veigar, bro.
No, that if the tables were turned, I would show you no mercy.
Yeah, shut up, Veigar. And just like always, you have to start at the top of the lane. Ah, nah, how did that hit? I'm just gonna keep stacking my passive so I can get much powerful. Oh, nah, you cannot hit that. Nah, I have to flash that. Bro. It's only 70 seconds, so I don't really have to worry. Let's go mid. Why are there 3 people in here, dude? What the hellings? This is bullying. Bro. Bruh. Nah, this is bullying, man. I cannot handle this anymore. Ah, hell nah. I'm out of here, bro. These guys are greedy as heck. Yo, he flashed for that. He did not get me. That's so sad. That was so sad. So I hope that guy's gone now. I have to keep you in the cage because you're so annoying, bro. Nah. Okay, let's back. Why are there 2 people in here, man? Nah. I want to swear so much, bro. That's so annoying, dude. Nah, I can't hit that. Yeah. In your face, man. Finally, I get to kill Jinx, bro. Yeah, in your face. For flashing in my face like that. But I also die. That's fair. Oh my. Was that a good game? They bullied us, man. So comments of League of Legends and this mini PC, it runs very smooth, no problems whatsoever. The problem is just got bullied so hard in lane. Okay, I think that's gonna do it for now. All of the games that I've tested in this mini PC runs very smooth. Even with OBS running in the background, it doesn't really stutter. It doesn't really lag. The performance just cuts it off a bit, but it is not really noticeable. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment GEEKOM in the comment section below so I know you guys are watching. So that is it for me, and see you guys on the next video. Peace.